What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, coming at you with a quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Amazon Fire HD8 with Alexa tablet. Now, this is the 2018 version. This just came out. I literally pre-ordered this tablet and got it today. So this is the latest and greatest from Amazon. Now, there are some changes that have been done to this tablet, which I'll touch on in a little bit. But basically, you can buy this right now for $79.99 for the base 16GB version, which comes with lock screen ads. Now, for an extra $15, you can get rid of those lock screen ads. And for an extra $30, you can upgrade this to the 32GB version. Now, I'll touch more on that in the full review, but for now, let's open up the box and see what's included inside. So first thing though, on the front of the box, this is the blue version. It comes in a variety of other colors. And this is, of course, the 16GB version. Here are some of the specs on the back of the box here. So we have a 1280 by 800 display, a micro SD card slot that can put an SD card of up to 400 gigabytes inside, a quad-core processor, dual-band Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras, and Dolby sound. There's also some more information on the back right here, so just a lot of good stuff in general. So let's open up the tab, and now we can slide the tablet out. So included in the box, we have a wall adapter, we have a micro USB cable, we have some literature about the Fire HD8, and we have the actual Fire HD8 itself. Let's open up the plastic here, slide the tablet out, and here it is. Now I'll boot this on for the first time, holding down the power button on the top, and that's going to now boot on. Now, what's new about this device hardware-wise is that the front-facing camera has been upgraded from VGA to 2 megapixels. So that means that you'll have a better experience when doing video chats with people, which is great. Now I'm going to set this up right now. Now it wants to do a software update. So while it's doing that software update, I can give you a tour of the device. So of course, on the front here is that 8-inch display. On the side here, we have the dual stereo speakers. These are of course Dolby certified Atmos speakers. On the back side, we have the Amazon logo, and we have the rear camera. We also have some regulatory information. On the bottom, there's nothing. And then on the top, we have the power button, micro USB port, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and the volume rockers. Then on the right side, we have the door for the micro SD card. Now what's awesome is that when you order this from Amazon, it actually already comes preloaded with your Amazon account information, so it already knows that this is my tablet. One of the biggest features that's touted on here is that you have Alexa integration, so I am going to activate that. Now that's a feature that's been improved with this most recent 2018 update of this tablet. Basically, it has a special daytime mode where you can put this on a dock that you can buy for extra money, and basically allows the tablet to emulate an Amazon Echo.
Try it now. Ask, Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather? Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Scottsdale, it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather, with a high of 87 degrees and a low of 67 degrees.
So I noticed the voice on here is a little jittery right now, and I think that's because the tablet is updating and installing software in the background. Now I'll tap on continue, and you can do the hands-free mode here. So this is another thing that this tablet can do, which is pretty awesome. So not a whole lot has changed with the software experience here. Basically, this is just a giant storefront for Amazon products. So if you're really invested personally into the Amazon ecosystem, then this is great for you. So if you're like a user of Audible audiobooks, or you just buy a lot of stuff from Amazon, or maybe you rely on the Amazon Music service or Kindle books, then this is great for you because it integrates everything really well. Now, something you're not able to get out of the box of this tablet is the Google Play Store. There are ways to download that on the side, but it's not going to come as a default feature here, so that is something you're going to have to do on your own. But you do, out of the box, get the Amazon App Store, and it's okay. I mean, it has most of the apps probably that you'll need, but definitely doesn't have the selection that the Google Play Store has. But you can see here, just looking at the home screen, we have all of these different Amazon apps, such as Games, Prime Photos, Audible, Alexa, Goodreads, offers. We also have some of my recent books that I've bought on Audible already showing up at the top of the screen here. Now moving over, there's a special panel showing For Me, different suggestions of Prime products that I could get right now if I wanted to. We have a bunch of different books here as options. We have videos, so videos that I've already watched, videos I've bought, and also videos that are recommended for me. We also have different games here, and I don't believe you'll be able to play Fortnite with this, unfortunately. But we also have the shop, we have apps, music, Audible, newsstand. So all kinds of good stuff here. So this is definitely a device that's meant for consumption. It's not a creation device like maybe a laptop or something like that. I mean, you're mostly going to be using this to watch videos, read books, browse the web, check your emails, and different things like that. But that's not a bad thing because this tablet is really affordable, of course, coming in at $79.99. So you're getting a great deal here. I mean, you're not throwing down over $500 like you would for an iPad. So you could buy like 5 of these versus one iPad. So this is definitely more worth it if all you're doing is just consuming content, especially centered around Amazon's ecosystem. But this pretty much does include my unboxing of the new Amazon Fire HD8 tablet with Alexa, fall late 2018 edition. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I am going to be doing a full review on this, and I'll be doing other videos related to this device. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.